In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how to delete your Fiverr account. So once you're logged in into your Fiverr account, you want to go over to your icon in the top right and click on that. Now simply go over to Settings and click on Settings. You'll then be sent over to your account settings, where you can see your full name, your email, your online status, and right here the account deactivation. So what happens if you deactivate your account? Your profile and gigs won't be shown on Fiverr anymore. Active orders will be cancelled and you won't be able to reactivate your gigs. So deleting your Fiverr account is permanent. So if you're sure you want to leave, go over to I'm leaving because and choose a reason. This can either be I unsubscribe from emails or any other account reason, or buying I can't find what I need on Fiverr, I'm unhappy, blah blah blah. For me it will be something else. Help is more, this is optional so I won't do it. I'm gonna click on deactivate account. And now my Fiverr account has been closed.